Okay, it looks like we're getting some rain. Finally. Now here on this back porch where it's really dangerous because there's some lightning in that. But anyway, we are getting some rain in this swamp. And let's see, cooking some shad roe for dinner. Some of that shad that I caught back during March and February. Also, about 2 months ago, I got this here thing to clean the air cleaner. Oh, that's that lightning. Because the air is so dirty, man. There's so much dirt in the air, and then in the house there's so much dirt. Well, since I'm in a lightning strike zone, even on this porch, probably ain't a great place to be. I'm gonna get this in, and I'm going in the house. Yeah, it's getting some rain here. A little bit's better than none, right? Yeah. There'll be dirt in that. But anyway,